ओके गाइस, हेलो। सो एक मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट और एक बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट जो है अनाउंसमेंट है इन दिस 67th और 68th डे में ये वाला क्वेश्चन है। तो हाउ विल सॉल्व दिस? फर्स्टली हम इसमें जेनकिंस में लॉगिन करेंगे। सी दिस जॉब, ये जॉब ना कई बार मेरी फेल हुई है। ये देखिए 3 बार में फेल हुई है ये जॉब, 4th बार से रन करी है। दरअसल इसमें इशू क्या आ रहा था दैट दिस जॉब रिक्वायर्स टू बी बिल्ड विथ पैरामीटर्स, और पैकेज में पैरामीटर जो हम लोग को देना है वो है विम। ठीक है, और अगर मैं आपको जॉब दिखाऊं तो जॉब अगर आप क्रिएट करेंगे तो दिस इज अ पैरामीटर्स प्रोजेक्ट, so we will use a name package which to be installed on the storage server. So this CI/CD pipeline will run and will install some packages on the storage server, and the storage server, if you can see, is this is the Jenkins job where it will install. This is the storage server. In this storage server it will install, so we have to configure this here. How you will configure? You have to set a package which is this. We have to install the package Vim package. Actually, the package name which we have to install is Vim. So we have to install the package name Vim on storage server. Like this, we can log in into the storage server. This is the complete thing which will help you to log in, and then we'll install the package Vim. Likewise, similarly, you can install any package like Vim, apt, any package. So if I share this, and you can see just now I have created and built this job. This is successful. So let's try to submit it in front of you. Okay, and you can see it's checking. Boom in the chat, guys, if you were all able to solve this problem. This was a tricky problem, but this will be easily solved by anyone. Some trick is required, like how you have to log in into the storage server and then install the package Vim on it. Let's submit this task. And with this, we have completed the 71. Let's see the 72 task. Okay, let's see this task we have to do. See, this is a complete case we have to use. So let's log in. Let's see. A new DevOps engineer has joined the team. Okay, so a new hello. A new DevOps engineer has joined the team and placed some Jenkins test task before the team want to test some simple parameterized build. and this simple parameter in these finder it is click on the Jenkins button and then put the password. Okay, let's click on this Jenkins and let's put some password over this. Okay. Give me sign in and then sign in. Okay. Okay, so we have successfully signed in. Now what we have to do, we have to create a parameterized job which will be named as this parameterized job. After this, we will have to build to the have to go to the build section. See, add build step. After this, what we have to do? We have to execute a shell script over here. You can see this here. You configure job shell command which use both parameter values. Okay. So what we will do? It will now we have to execute this cell. Stage is dollar stage. Environment is this. This is using this. Okay, so now see what we have done this. After this, let's save it. Okay, now if we have saved it, now let's build it with parameters. Now you can see stage is built which we have already fixed, and environment we can select environment actually development, staging, productions. First let's test for development. Okay, let's select development and then create build. See, our parameterized job is created. Let's see the uh, let's see console output of this. If you see console output, you can see running a system stays is built, environment is development, and it is successfully finished. Okay, now what is this job name is parameter final checklist. Okay, so now the job name is parameterized Stage choice parameter. So now if we go again and build it with parameters, now if we say staging and then build, and then you can see this parameterized job console output. Stage is build, environment is staging. It is successfully passing. Let's go for the third one and check it again. Build with parameters. Let this time let's go production and then we'll build it. You can see this successfully completed task. Let's see the console output for this. You can see environment is production, stage is build, finished is success. This was the task which we have to complete it. And now let's check and submit this task. This is the easiest task, I think. This is successfully completed for all of us. This was a easy peasy task, you know. And it was very easy. Let's go for another day task. Okay, let's submit this. Okay, streak just went up. 100 days of DevOps. Let's go for this Jenkins scheduled job. Like, we have to schedule a job, write a cron over it. Let's go for it. Let's go for this. So before this, I'm going for a break for 5 minutes, and I will be coming back at 11:40. Okay, we will be doing it together. Let's see. Let's see. What is this? Mhm. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Huh, yeah, I'm live now. So let's see. The DevOps team of X Fusion Hope Industry is working on an centralized logging management systems. Since it will take some time, they want to handle some server logs on a regular basis. At least one of the app server is having with Apache server. The team needs to log into the issues. Okay, if they decide to create a Jenkins job to collect the logs from the server. Okay, so we have to create a like every periodic for 4 minutes. Okay, so we have to click on this. Let's first do this. Let's go to our this. Let's put password username admin keep me signed in log into our Jenkins. So what we have to do here is we have to configure it to periodically build every 4 minutes to copy the logs, both access log and error logs from app server 2. From default logs location to okay. So there is a default log location from where we have to locate through the USR SRC IT admin. Okay. We have to install some plugins and then okay. So restart what plugins that I think some plugins like zip unzip these kinds of plugin maybe have to install and we have to make sure the con inspection is like this so that okay so this is an example is okay this is a sample example to run every job every 10 minutes so what we have to do we have to run the job at 4 minutes so we have to make sure that we have to define the combinations like this 4 instead of 10 we have to use this 4 so let's do this job so what we have to do is let's from the Jenkins dashboard let's create a what was this yeah so we are in the Jenkins let's create a job and the job name is copy the logs this is a freestyle project and let's create it. Now in the job configuration you can see uh, there is some build triggers build periodically here so from this build periodically we have to schedule it to run the job after every 4 minutes this is the exact expression for this which will run this cross expression every 4 minutes now after this we have to add the build step and then execute cell what we have to run every 4 minutes this we have to define in this so what it is saying is that every 4 minutes we have to copy log Apache log from the Apache server. So this is app server 2. From app server 2 and then we have to use it to the location. So what we will do, I have created one cell. You can see this cell script. ये बड़ा नहीं हो सकता। Okay. ठीक है so this is the app server 2 details step 2 this is the name storage server is this and I have explicitly defined this app user app password is this storage user is this storage password is this and the directory which we have to do is var log httpd this is the default directory of Apache logs var log httpd and desired is usr src it admin which is already given to us now, what we have to do, we have to copy the access log. First, we have to log into the server, app server. How we will log in? SSH pass by using SSH. We have to pass the app pass. App pass is the storage server. This is America. We can also use that SSH build parameters, but okay, we have explicit. This is a wrong practice actually, but okay, it's a lab environment, so no issues. So we will pass the username and the password. By this, we can log into the server and then we have to jump to the directory of this error log. After this, we have to copy the logs of the storage server. So how we will copy? We will first log into our storage server with a secured copy with strict host key checking is no means it will not ask for do you want to log in or not, because it's a Jenkins job. For what we have to do, we have to copy the access log from the access log. We have to copy it to the error log, and then we have to copy it to the desired directory, and then we have to you can just echo Apache log copied successfully to the storage server. Okay, so now what we have to do to make this, let's save this first, and then let's we have to install one plugin for this. Let's go to the plugins and then go to available plugins, and inside this available plugins we have to ensure that we have a SSH plugin should be installed for this, because it will SSH to the storage server and app server. So we can install the SSH plugin. Okay, so this is installed. Let's restart our Jenkins job to make sure it is ready. So what will happen is that this job will run after every 4 minutes. This pipeline will be executed after every 4 minutes. Okay, so restarting Jenkins. Okay, let's restart. Let's wait for the restart. Is it restarted or what? Ah, okay. So it's restarted. Let's go to our job which we have created. This is the job. And oh, it's successfully executed. Okay. Okay, let's go to the console output. Let's go to the console output, and oh, you can see, it is running a system. It is building in workspace. This it has permanently added storage server to the host, and then permanently log it to the storage server. This is login to the app server. This is login to the storage server, and then Apache logs are copied successfully to the storage server. Boom in the chat, guys, and this is finished. This is the build number one. This build will be running after every 4 minutes. Right now you can see the time is 11:54. If 11:58 it will execute again. You can see the see again you can see. Okay, so you can see the second of Apache log. After every 4 minutes this will be executed. You can see the next build. So this is the task which we have to do. And let's if we see the configuration again after 4 minutes you will see the you can see would have run on Tuesday, December 16. This is the next run would be in December 16. You can see this run is 60:24 coordinated time, and then next run will be on Tuesday, December 16, same day on. You can see 6:24:14 and 6:28. After every 4 minutes, this will be running, and will copy all the app server paths to the path. Let's see this at 6:25 it was run. Let's see whether it will run at now 6:29. Let's submit this. Move in the chat. Let's submit this. Okay, so this is completed. Let's go and start another labs. Day 74. Day Jenkins database backup job. Okay, let's start this. Okay.